Hi, Rick from Memphis Grills here. Gonna do one of our favorite go-to recipes here, bacon wrapped tenderloin. Super simple to do. I'm gonna do a reverse sear tonight with these beautiful steaks. Look at that, unbelievable. So this is gonna be a very, very simple thing to do, a simple recipe to do. I'm gonna put a little olive oil on, smear that around, do it on both sides here, and I'm going to season them up. I've got a kind of a go-to favorite Santa Maria seasoning here. I'm going to put on the steaks. Right now the grill is heating up. I've got it set for 180 degrees. I'm going to put these on for probably about 45 minutes and smoke them. And then after that, I'm going to pull them off, turn the grill up, and I'm going to sear them in a cast iron skillet. So stay tuned, more coming. Hey, I'm at the barbecue. I'm at 180 degrees. It's at 183, so I'm ready to go. Nice ribbon of smoke coming out of the barbecue. So I'm going to go ahead and put these steaks on and smoke them for about 45 minutes. I've got my cast iron pan inside to do the searing on my finishing step there. But as easy as that, I'm going to throw those on and let the smoke do the magic and really add that nice smoky flavor to the filet mignon and sear them in about 45 minutes. Okay. Again, look at that smoke coming out. Really nice smell and flavor. Our official taste tester here, Kona. Yeah, she wants a little bit of that. I want to do a quick temp check here. I want to be about 100 degrees, 105 degrees. I'm at about 96, 98. So another 5 minutes, then I'll pull them off, crank the grill up, and we'll come back and sear. All right, pulled my steaks off about 15 minutes ago. Nice smoky flavor infused there. They're up to about 105 degrees internal. I got my grill set at 550. Hear that sizzle? With the bacon wrapped around these fillets, I really like the cast iron to put that final crust and sear on them, and they are going to be delicious. All right, let's take a look here, see what we got. Taking that on that sear. A couple minutes and sear time. Perfect, ready to pull.